What if you had a brilliant, innovative idea, were funded by an EU program, and could see how it could be turned into something more tangible, but you simply didn't know where to start? Booster is there to provide researchers and innovators with the tools, the mindset, the know-how of how to turn those ideas into impact. To better get to grips with what exactly Booster does, how it operates, and why you as a researcher may want to apply, we're going to be taking a look at a specific project that has benefited from Booster services. Hi Daniel, thank you so much for being with us. First things first, how exactly did you hear and become aware of Booster?
Hello, thank you for having me. We became especially aware of the Horizon Results Booster platform through the review of our first reporting period. It was a service recommended to be used by the official European Commission reviewers. We applied to the Horizon Results Booster aiming to receive expert guidance in shaping our exploitable results business models and positioning our innovations towards the market update.
Could you tell us a bit more about your project?
In the s-X-AIPI project, it has been developed a modular, scalable, and interoperable trustworthy artificial intelligence toolset for the process industry, where the artificial intelligence solutions are capable of self-configuration or self-optimization, for example. The challenge lies in enabling complex industrial environments and often using legacy systems to adopt trustworthy AI solutions. As project, we aim to consolidate our open source contributions, the s-X artificial intelligence toolset, pursue joint exploitation opportunities between partners with the different exploitable results, and try pushing our reference architecture that, by the way, was published in a Senelec CWA and trustworthy AI solutions into broader industrial frameworks.
What would you say has changed for you since beginning your journey with Booster?
Our experience with Booster was extremely positive. Our appointed Booster expert helped us refine the framing of our 9 exploitable results, aligning them with market needs and user value propositions. He also provided helpful feedback on the business model development and exploitation pathways. Thanks to Booster, we adopted a clearer and more structured exploitation methodology. We align our exploitation strategies across partners with updated business model canvases and IPR strategies.
What sort of advice would you give to a potential Booster applicant?
To engage early, as soon as the project starts, especially if an early definition of your exploitable results have already been included in the grant agreement. Booster service offers valuable guidance, not just for a final exploitable, but also for mid-project alignment. Be open to rethinking your initial assumptions. Ensure your entire consortium is aligned and involved, particularly if you have a portfolio of results with shared ownership. You will learn a proper methodology to develop your business plan using helpful and convenient tools like the Javelin board, the Canvas, the BOSAT, etc.
Well, thank you very much for being here with us today, and all the best. Talking with Daniel was really interesting, but to get the full picture, I'm now going to meet with a Booster expert to get those behind-the-scenes insights. Europe has often been described as facing a valley of death when it comes to turning research into market-ready innovation. How does Booster fit in within this wider context?
Europe has excellent research output, but actually transforming these research outputs in concrete benefit for the society and the economy is sometimes challenging. Some research teams struggle in their path from research to impact, and this is where Booster comes as an initiative by European Commission to fill in this gap. Booster is an initiative including free of charge services, and this initiative helps in the competitiveness and innovation in Europe. That's why it's very crucial that actually a EU-funded project will benefit of this initiative.
In the case of s-X-AIPI, what stood out to you about their journey and what kind of transformation did you see from when they first joined Booster to now?
The project started with a strong technical and scientific achievement, and thanks to the Booster service, they could turn their result in real-world applications. The main result of the project was the toolset of s-X-AIPI technology designed to optimize operation in aluminium, steel, pharmaceutical sector. Thanks to our experts, they could build a sustainable business plan and have at the end a demonstrator for this solution, therefore going towards the market and successfully implementing their research and turning the research results into application that will be used.
So what advice would you give to a prospective booster applicant?
I would advise to make the most of this free of charge learning experience, also because the tools and methodologies that are explored during the service delivery can be applied to other results.
Booster helps EU-funded projects like s-X-AIPI move from their ambitious ideas to market-ready solutions. There are many more success stories out there to be told. Find out more and apply at www.horizonresultsbooster.eu. Until next time.